Let's learn how do we divide the number 102 by 5 using the long division method. See that 1 is less than 5, so we will consider the number 10. We know that 5 times 2 is equal to 10. Subtract, we get a 0. Now this 0 is less than 5. That is why we need to bring down this adjacent 2 here. But look that this is the number 2. So we will remove this 0. But in this case, although 2 is less than 5, as we have brought down this 2 here, we need to divide it. We know that 5 times 0 is equal to 0. Subtract, we get 2. Now see that we have no number to bring down here. So we will borrow 1 0, and for that we need to put a decimal here. We know that 5 times 4 is equal to 20. Subtract, we get a 0. As we get the number 0, so we will stop. Therefore, 102 divided by 5 is equal to 20.4. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe our channel.